let me show y'all that it's running and cranking.
Say you living fast, quit lying on your dick, bitch. I'm quick to get them hit. Nigga, you need to stick to stealing kills or that 9 to 5, cause bitch, you really on that bullshit. Bitch, you not no smacker, nigga. Really on this kind of shit, but niggas know I'm active, nigga. Striking shit in real life. Striking shit all by myself, don't think I'm lacking, nigga.
Alright, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Verify K, and we back again with another banger, man. I ain't gonna lie, bro, I've been posting kind of consistently, so I ain't gonna lie, I think I just wanted to give y'all something special. So today, man, we gonna be painting the Challenger. And as y'all can see, I got this pink bubblegum, dumb as fuck type hood on my shit, and I ain't even gonna lie, it's cause low-key, I used some cheap pink paint, and I'm not gonna lie, in the middle of me doing it, I was just like, yeah, bro, this is not gonna do it. So I just scrapped the whole idea, and I just chose a whole different theme. So I went to the store, got some new paint, got some new paint cups, some Bondo filler, some gloves, some paint thinner, a new paint gun, and some sandpaper, just so I could get this thing ready to run, bro, because everything's ready. So let me just show y'all everything that's wrong with the vehicle and all the shit that I'm gonna have to correct and that my helper's gonna have to correct. All right, y'all, so come over here with me, man. Don't make fun of my shit now. Don't make fun of it. As y'all can see, this right here, when y'all see in that video of when my door hit the side of the bricks, this right here all messed up, and my fender right here, I got this hanging up because I was trying to do the body work on this one. I had it almost as smooth as butter. So I just got to do a little bit more touch-ups on that, and then I could throw that on. But I have to fix this side right here because this little dent right here, this is very inconsistent. You're gonna be able to see the bumps if I paint over it, and it's not smooth. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that, but that's not the only thing. So come over here. And as y'all can see, my door, that shit don't shut. Well, I guess it kind of do. Now it wants to. But it don't shut all the way because as you can see in the back of here, this is all dented. So I had to pull this out with a pry bar, and this is like literally a big ass dent. I pulled it out to the best of my capability, but it's just been mad hard. I'm not gonna lie, no diddy. Huh? This is what's called? This is the carbon fiber body filler. So this one was a little bit more tougher, and I kind of liked it for using it on the door. But now I'm gonna go over it with the regular Bondo and smoothing this all out with the Durablock. And I'm gonna make sure that all this is smooth and that the fitments and all the lines is correct. But I'm not gonna lie, this was like probably the biggest, this was the hardest issue with the body filler me working so far. I'm not gonna lie, I've never had an issue like this. But we're gonna go ahead and get that done, and we're gonna move on to the next. Oh yeah, come over here. So as y'all can see on this fender, the body lines don't even add up, but that's mainly because I did it in a rush. But still, they don't add up. And as you can see, when I was putting on the old wide body kit, the bolts I was using for that one, that everybody was using like the big bolt trend where they would put the big bolts in the wide body kit to make sure that everything holds up. And I did it, and then going along just seeing other people do it over time just showed me like, man, I'm gonna do it a different way. So I just completely took that off, and I'm gonna fill in those holes, and I'm gonna do my wide body kit a completely different way, so a way that nobody ain't seen before. So that's the reason why that's look like that. But when you come across here, just all the lines is just inconsistent. There's a dent right here. It's not bolted up at the bottom, and it just looks a complete mess. Yeah, the car, if you're looking at it, the car just look like shit. I'm gonna keep it a buck. But if you look at the roof is a completely different color, sanded and primed down a little bit. Not really, but it doesn't even look complete. And if you go to this door right here, when I first got the car, this no shade, but this Mexican woman scammed me, for she hit my shit from the back. Huh? And whoa, hold on, no diddy.
But it was gay. Why should I have to apologize? I saw gay, so I said gay. That ain't bullying. That's an astute observation.
But she hit my car from the back and like skidded across the whole side of it. And like then I've never been able to get this fixed, and because I'm a young black man, my insurance raised through the roof. So I was just like, you know what? I'm not even gonna fight this through court. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just deal with the problems because I can fix it. But this door closes perfectly fine. I don't got no problems, but it's all good. But on the inside though, this is this is where we kind of have a little mess. So when we come in here on the inside, I took my radio out and I had to take my whole dash out. So now it looks like somebody stole it if you come in here and look, man. I'm not gonna lie. It's just mad crazy. So, but this right here, I had changed all my modules and now my radio locked on me. So I have to get the anti-theft code. So I have to contact the dealership just to get that. I just don't like calling people and talking to people on the phone, but I'm gonna do it as soon as we get done painting and I throw everything back together. But that's pretty much it for the interior. I'm not throwing my passenger seat back in there. I'm gonna keep that shit a straight bug. Like, that shit gonna stay like that because, bro, fuck these females, man. These females don't do shit for us, man. This is my baby right here, you know what I'm saying? I put my hard work and dedication into this thing right here. So I'm gonna treat it as such. This is my Valentine, I ain't gonna lie. I think that's pretty much, oh, wait. One more thing. And as we come to the trunk is a completely different color. If you look here, there's a hole right there. There's a inconsistent patch that I smoothed out over here. I don't know if you can see that or not. And this is just not sanded down correctly. This is when I was first learning, first teaching myself, and I just really wasn't applying myself. But now I know what I'm doing. I got a little bit of experience, and my last job came out pretty decent. So I'm gonna go ahead and attack mines again. And yeah, so I'm gonna take off the spoiler. We're gonna sand this down. We're gonna tape off everything. I got my help behind the camera. He's gonna get in here and do some stuff. I'm probably gonna have him just sand down the bumper and just, he gonna watch me take out the motor so I could teach him how to do these swaps himself. So when I'm away, I got somebody doing it and we can knock out y'all swaps twice as fast. So we finna go ahead and get to the rest of this video. And yeah, we finna do like a little montage, I guess. But I low-key forgot, twin. I got my bumper right here. Like how I told y'all, I didn't even end up finishing it. It got all type of orange peel on it from the cheap paint and all that. It wasn't spraying correctly and then I had to leave it outside. But the primer got laid down correctly and I like the way the primer got laid down, but when I tried to spray this cheap paint on here, it just didn't come out correctly. So I just completely scratched the whole thing, got some professional paint from the paint shop, and now we got some more sandpaper. We got 1,000 grit, we got 320, we got 220, we got 80, we got 60. So, and we got everything we need to make sure that this car is looking up to par, because Verified K ain't too verified if his ride looking like shit, I ain't gonna lie. So we finna go ahead and get to the rest of the video like I said. But yeah, make sure you follow me on all socials, twin, because remember, road to 5K, brother. Man, I promise you, I've been appreciating. Oh, fuck.
But you see, fuck, I thought it, I would've, oh my fuck.
I've been appreciating all the support, man. It's really a dream come true. I really rock with y'all, for real. I didn't even know y'all like the build like that, for real, because I'm low-key getting tired of this bitch. This hoe always in my pocket. But I ain't gonna lie, that's gonna be it for right now, and we finna go ahead and get into the montage.
Brian Striker still.
Yeah, so they be striking shit.
Brian Striker still, nigga.
Guess it don't even make no sense. Niggas just be bapping.
Brian Striker still, nigga. Hold on, how you say you striking shit? You never touch the pad, but say you living fast. Quit lying on your dick, bitch. I'm quick to get them hit. Nigga, you need to stick to stealing kids or that 9 to 5, cause bitch, you really on that bullshit. Bitch, you not no smacker, nigga. Really on this content shit, but niggas know I'm active, nigga. Striking shit in real life, whole time like why you bapping, nigga? Out here striking shit all by myself, don't think I'm lacking, nigga. SIT just burnt off on the jakes all through the birds like we got traction.
And before we even get into this thing, I ain't even gonna lie, let me show y'all that it's running and cranking before somebody try to talk shit, because I already know somebody gonna try to say something like, oh, it's never gonna run again after y'all took it out. I mean, it's running now, so let me just show y'all the before and after. You know what I'm saying? It's not tuned, so it's gonna sound a little choppy, and I gotta fix that valve cover. I still haven't did that yet, but let me go ahead and show y'all. See how the smoke coming out? That's that valve cover spitting out oil and going onto that header. And I gotta fix that, but I mean, that's not that bad. I can fix that in the car. But we finna take this motor out and we finna paint the engine bay too. So y'all stay tuned, man.
Oh, crazy, brother. Oh, crazy, brother. Damn, focus on that, brother. That shit. I go crazy, bro. Nah, you did me this shit. I go crazy, bro. That shit so bogus, man. I go crazy, bro. I go crazy, bro. I go crazy, bro. I go crazy, bro. Oh yeah. Been out the way, been in New York. Been focused on my bag, I can't crash like baby, oh no. You irritate my soul. I got high as fuck to deal with all these feelings you don't know. I get high as fuck to get up out of space, I'm on the road. You think I'm out here fucking hoes? Nigga, lie on me. You know your head when he hit you asking all these questions. You say you horny, but I'm never the one you fucking tell a pillow though. You text the morning, acting like you ain't seen my college night, but baby I keep it P like what you doing now? But I ain't tripping cause I fucked the bad bitch like Ruby Rose. You fucking off on me, babe, I can play this game for sure. Fucking off on me, I'm fucking off on you. You say you love me, but I can't close to you.
You know what I'm saying?
You say you
I'ma get it done.
but I can't keep trusting you. Yeah, it's hard for me, and I know it's hard for you. I go crazy about it. I go crazy about it. I go crazy about it. I go crazy. You say your family hate me, but that's because of you. When we into it, you tell your people's, but you don't tell the truth. You don't tell them what you do. That half-ass story you telling them like they don't even know the real you. You get mad as fuck when I get high. 'Cause baby, when we have these arguments, baby, you don't like to fucking lose. Like, babe, what's your fucking problem? What you got to prove? I smack your ass, I get behind that, make you lose them shoes. Babe, I ain't gon' play about you. Blow my fire, make the noise. Bet I give him my little pussy, bitch, you know I kill you too. I go crazy, bro. 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 Yeah. Laying back up on the ops, cause all these niggas hoes. They tried to speak up on Lil' K, we had to wipe his nose. She not your bitch, she not my bitch, so that's just how it go. Tender about my shit for sure. It's one thing just to let me know. Fuck my bitch and ain't think you finna die? Yeah, you a ghost. About my shit, I do the most. If my bitch think you too funny, nigga, I'll kill you for them jokes. And we catching niggas who taking niggas hoes, so let them know. So if a nigga take your bitch, you stalk that page and get the load.
Jump rope is definitely like life, bro.